Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to use DocuSign in Google Docs. So if you are willing to simply sign or get signed your document using your Docs platform, and you do not want to leave it and use the separate DocuSign platform, this video is specifically for you guys. So what you need to do is simply first of all head over to the link in the description below, where you will get 30 days free trial onto the platform DocuSign and avail and unlock a lot of features that are usually paid. So make sure to do try that out. Now what we need to do is simply head over to our extensions section and click on add-ons. Click on get add-ons, and then you will be able to realize that we do have this option of search app. Search in here for DocuSign. This is the one that we need, and install this DocuSign sign integration, and you can easily get your stuff done directly from this extension. You do not even need to leave the platform, and this is how simple it is to use DocuSign in Google Docs. I hope this helps, and if it does, you can consider subscribing. See you around in the next video.